Today we are going to be unboxing Perfect Petzzz. They actually breathe! What is this? What is this called? It's a Yorkie. Something's inside this, I think. It's a puppy bed. It comes with a certificate of adoption. Look, it blocked! I'm going to flip it over and pull the tag to breathe. Breathing. It looks like Lexi, my perfect pet.
She's soft and sweet.
So soft and so sweet.
She's kind.
She has a collar that says Perfect Petzzz.
I get to brush her.
She has a little bow on her little forehead. And she breathes nicely and slowly. And I get to brush her. She is actually breathing. She's so beautiful and nice. Our sweet Yorkie crossed the Rainbow Bridge this year. And now we get to love this perfect pet.